Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm gonna guide you through how to use Signal without sharing your phone number using username. So let's get started. First of all, open your Signal application. Also make sure that you have the latest version of Signal installed on your phone. And once you've done that, make sure you are logged into your account. From the chat screen, tap on your profile picture at the top left corner and click on Settings. Inside Settings, tap on your name at the top and click on the username field. If you haven't, go ahead and create a unique username that others can use to find you on Signal without needing your phone number. After typing it down, click on Done, and then you have set your username. Now you can go ahead and share your username with friends or family. Tap on QR code or link, and you will be able to see your QR code and your link you can share with your friend. Anyone can scan this QR code to get connected with you on Signal. If you want to share the link, simply tap the share button at the bottom and select a contact you want to share your username with. After you do that, tap the send or the arrow at the bottom right to sending your username. You can also share this Signal username using any other social messaging applications. Once someone adds you by that username, you can chat securely on Signal without exchanging phone numbers. That is how you can easily use Signal without sharing your phone number. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.